Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got a couple of nice watch faces I want you all to check out. So stay tuned, it's coming right up. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got an awesome watch face to take a look at by Tina Dial. These people get down on some watch faces. This one here is really nice. I love unique watch faces. Now the name of this one is called Tina 525. Very nice looking watch face. Has a touch of elegance to it as well. Now you can wear this super casual if you like, but I'm liking this one. Now in always on mode, you're gonna get a retro color look. It's not a bad look. And once the watch face is on, if you look at the index that's going around the bezel of the watch, it is silver. Again, it adds a touch of elegance to it. Now the little ball that's toward the center that you see right there looks like a pinball. That's gonna be your minute hand. And if you come down, you look, you're going to see one of the index lit up blue. That's going to be your hour hand. So I like that, along with the fact that you get the best of both worlds. You get a 24-hour time, dead center. I thought this was very unique. I'm going to give it 3 thumbs up. In the door, I thought they did a very good job with creativity and uniqueness. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And let's go on and check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now this one is nice. This one is called Tina Dial 518. And the uniqueness and the style of this watch face is beautiful. Now, I still love a unique way to tell time. Now, in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get some of the same uniqueness. It's going to look really nice even in the AOD mode. But when it's on, it really stands out. So if you look at the top, it lets you know pretty much what time it is, right? You got a hour hand. You also got a minute hand as well, right? Now, I like that it also gives you your digital time as well. So you get the best of both worlds. You get kind of like a mesh in the background, and if you come down, it even gives you information on your steps and your heart rate and digital information. I like that. Then you got Tina Dial written down at the bottom. This is truly a good look. What do you think, you all? Is this a download? In my opinion, definitely. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. It is Friday. It is party time. Make sure you all be careful, have fun, be safe, and remember, party like it's 1999. All right, you all, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel.